Hexatronic UK are proud to announce the completion of our new demo track, located at our Aylesbury facility in central England. The Aylesbury demo track offers our customers a real-life network build environment for demos and product training from our subject matter experts. Hands-on engagement with our products and experts enables knowledge sharing and allows our customers to gain first-hand experience of best working practices and installation optimization techniques. The track features an underground duct route with both duct-in-duct and direct buried microduct networks and a full suite of cabinets, closures and network accessories. For all your demo inquiries, please contact our technical support